There's no sign of Athena, and with the chicks calling at him, he comes back inside. He tries feeding them himself, but he doesn't quite know what to do. He goes to leave, but stalls again. He doesn't want to leave the chicks unguarded, and instead waits for Athena's return. When she comes back empty-handed, she's pleased to see the rat and soon gets to work.